Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. While Windows 11 already offers a variety of built-in applications, there are numerous third-party tools that can significantly enhance your overall user experience. In this video, I will share my top 5 recommended apps that I personally use to optimize my Windows 11 setup. Let's go! To maximize your Windows 11 experience, consider installing Microsoft PC Manager, a free application available from the Microsoft Store that provides several system maintenance functions in one convenient dashboard. Once installed, simply search for PC Manager to access its features. With a single click, you can boost your PC's performance by freeing up system resources, run comprehensive health checks, and perform deep cleanups to reclaim disk space. In addition, PC Manager provides a suite of window tools including Screenshot, Screen Recorder, and Image Search for easy access. You can also add to your list the PowerToys Toolkit, which is designed to increase productivity on Windows systems. This is also available for free from the Microsoft Store. PowerToys caters to different users' needs by providing various features such as advanced paste function for flexible clipboard management, easy environment variable management area, and fancy zones for efficient window arrangement. In particular, the text extractor tool allows the user to copy text from any content on the screen, especially from images. Third on our list of essential tools is Bitwarden, an open-source password manager that provides a secure and convenient way to store and manage sensitive information such as social media passwords, credit card details, and personal notes. Once you create a master account, your Bitwarden vault is encrypted and synchronized across all your devices, including your iPhone or Android mobile, so your information is always accessible and protected. To add new information, simply select the appropriate item type, such as login, card, identity, or secure note, and fill in the required details. In order to secure and limit unauthorized access to the app, go to File and open Settings. Bitwarden allows you to set a vault timeout and enable PIN or Windows Hello lock options to protect your credentials. Another tool I recommend is Rambox. It acts as a central hub, consolidating messaging platforms, email clients, and social media accounts into a single, unified interface, so you don't have to open multiple browser tabs or individual applications. To get started, simply head over to rambox.app/download-windows to download the app and create an account. Once set up, you can seamlessly add as many web services as you need, each accessible from within the Rambox interface, eliminating the need to constantly switch between windows. Finally, consider installing Intel Unison as well. It connects your Android or iOS smartphone to your PC, making it easy to share files and even make and receive calls without picking up your mobile. If you're eager to learn how to set up Intel Unison on your Windows PC and iPhone, I've created a detailed tutorial. Check out the link in the description for a step-by-step guide. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.